Hello mga kawais! Samahan nyo kami today to visit one of the famous learning hub here in Singapore. This is The Hive, located within Nanyang Technological University or NTU. A little bit of trivia. Alam nyo ba na ang NTU is one of Singapore's prestigious, largest, and top-ranked public universities? Not only here in Singapore but also globally. NTU is ranked 12 in the world in the QS World University Rankings 2026. Pero kahit public siya, hindi libre ang mag-aral dito. Actually, public education in all levels, healthcare, and housing in Singapore is heavily subsidized by the government, but not fully free. And that brings us to our last and final series about Joseph's wise leadership found in Genesis chapter 47, verses 13 to 26 in the Bible. During the famine, Joseph did a unique crisis management strategy. He didn't just give away food freely. The people received provision, but they worked the land and they gave 1/5 of their harvest to Pharaoh. But notice the response of the people in Genesis 47 verse 25. You have saved our lives. We will be servants. They were not resentful. They were grateful. Why? Because Joseph didn't just give relief, he gave them a way to live with dignity. This mirrors the philosophy of Singapore's founding Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew and still strongly believed of many today in Singapore. That nothing should be completely free, because if you give people something for nothing, you erode their sense of responsibility. His approach is often summed up as self-reliance over entitlement, targeted help, not blanket welfare, sustainability over short-term solution. He wanted Singapore to avoid what he saw in some countries: rising taxes, strained public systems, dependency culture. True leadership is not about making people dependent on you. It is about people who can stand, contribute, and remain grateful even in crisis. Ngayong may tensyon muli sa Middle East at oil crisis is already showing up, ayuda na naman ba uli ang solusyon natin? Kasi ang pagbibigay ng libre, pwedeng makatulong ngayon, but will only repeat the cycle of dependence. Kaya ang tanong, sa panahon ng krisis, pangmatagalang solusyon ba ang binibigay natin o pansamantalang ginhawa lang? Another day, another wisdom, because strong nation begins at strong families. And strong families don't grow by chance, they grow by wisdom. Thank you mga kawais! God bless!